This document provides a glimpse of the activities carried out under the 6 components of the project: biodiversity conservation and Ganga rejuvenation, sponsored by the National Mission for Clean Ganga, Ministry of Jal Shakti. The project was instrumental in creating a Center for Ganga Aqualife Conservation and Monitoring, or GACMAC, at the Wildlife Institute of India, which has now emerged as a lead nodal agency for river conservation. The GACMAC is spearheading systematic conservation planning of the Ganga River and providing technical and intellectual inputs to the Ministry of Jal Shakti and Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Ecological and hydrological surveys carried out during the project suggest that more than 49% of the Ganga River retains high biodiversity value in terms of presence of species of conservation significance. Genetic assessment of indicator species revealed that the reduced genetic connectivity in certain fish species may be due to the dams in the upper stretch of the Ganga River, while the downstream barrages have little impact on the genetic diversity of select fish, turtles, and Gangetic dolphins. The ecotoxicological assessments indicate extensive and continuous use of banned toxic pesticides in the upper reaches and discharge of untreated waste into the river, which can be addressed through suitable pollution abatement planning. The spearhead teams established in the Ganga River states are internalizing capacity through training and awareness programs. A network of citizen scientists is in place and are aiding in Ganga conservation activities. The rescue and rehabilitation centers established at identified hotspots of conflict are pivotal in rescue and subsequent rehabilitation of the animals in distress. Through the project, the concerns of the local communities for river conservation and livelihoods were addressed, and efforts have been made to align the livelihoods of the local communities with Ganga River conservation. A trained and motivated cadre of Ganga Praharis was created under this component, who are at the forefront of Ganga conservation. The interpretation centers established at select sites are creating awareness amongst the masses, which is evident from the high number of footfalls that they receive. The river conservation model developed under the project has been scaled up to the country level for effective river conservation and to address the water security issues.